Vision AI for biscuit manufacturing. More than 12,000 biscuits move through production lines each minute, making consistent manual inspection extremely difficult. Operators must spot cracks, chipped edges, burn marks, and surface deformities continuously. Fatigue can let defects pass downstream, increasing complaints without the process intelligence needed to prevent recurrence. Jidoka automates inspection with Kompass AI and Tigris modular vision infrastructure integrated into existing high-speed lines with minimal disruption. 2 to 3 cameras cover the conveyor width, each capturing over 400 images per minute. Kompass analyzes them in real time to identify and classify critical defects. The software tracks each defect's exact position and signals the PLC. Pneumatic ejectors serve every column above a sub-20 mm conveyor gap. At the transfer zone, defective biscuits are autonomously ejected below the conveyor. Tigris coordinates the precise rejection of each individual defective biscuit. This maintains fast and consistent inline quality control for surface defects on biscuits after baking. The AI-driven solution achieves over 90% accuracy in detecting critical defects with less than 0.01% false positives. This results in near zero wastage and stronger brand quality. It delivers ROI in less than 18 months while improving production efficiency and yield. Jidoka Vision AI for first-time right manufacturing.